Hey, welcome back, folks. So today is really just building upon the last video where I showed you how to export commandlet help files to a text file. Now I'm going to take the text files and convert them to PDF using the Word COMobject. And I do this just because I can highlight in a PDF and make notes and all that stuff. Can't necessarily do that in a text file. So as you can see, these are my two text files. I'm going to output them to the PDF folder. So there's nothing there right now. We're going to run this script a couple of different ways, and then we'll step through what the actual code means. So we're going to add that to our PowerShell session. The commandlet name is ConvertTo-PDF. I'm going to give it a source folder and an output folder, and then just hit go. And it'll take a second. I'm doing two different modules in this example, the BitLocker and storage. And let me move this over on the screen. So here you can see the output, essentially exactly what's on the screen for the help. So if you run this just like I did, just a basic call on the function, you won't see anything happen on the screen. Now, if you want to see a bit of a step-by-step of what the script is doing, use the -verbose parameter, switch, whatever that's called, and it'll tell you as it does each step. So that's it as far as demonstration. So it's not terribly complicated, just an advanced function with a couple of parameters, source folder, output folder or file. I think I haven't renamed that yet. All we're doing here is creating a Word COMobject. So this will require you to have some version of Word installed on the actual machine you're running on. Not sure if there's any compatibility issues with various versions of Office. I just have the newest one. So we're going to look in that source folder for all the text files. This is just telling us to error out if there's no text files in the folder. Then this for each loop, we're just looping through each text file, getting the content here, and then adding it to a Word document. And we're outputting to whatever folder path you gave it there, and it's going to give each file the same name as the text file. After that, we're pretty much just closing this down. All this is just closing Word, merging the document, closing Word, and releasing the COMobject. That's pretty much it. So this is how I handle help sometimes when I'm trying to learn a new module. Instead of flipping back and forth in the help in the console, I usually just output it, and I have one on each screen. All right, so if you stuck around to the end, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.